Okay. Hey, it's Deanna. I made this bracelet for somebody who has cancer, and I'm gonna restring it on wire with a clasp. I get this feeling that this stretch cord is just not feeling right to me, and it, could be me. It doesn't feel like it's bouncing back like it should. It just doesn't feel right. It's stretch magic, and I don't know. So we're gonna put it on wire with a clasp. I'll get my wire out. And excuse if there's any noise of dogs or dryers or cats or what have you. Just cut this apart. I don't know if I'm going to be able to fit the wire through it and not have to do it one by one. We're going to see. Take my glasses off so I can see. I know I'm going to have to take something off because I got to add a clasp, so I guess I'll take these off. Take those off. And now we're going to see if I can get this wire through here and not have to restring bead by bead. Which is kind of gonna be a issue, I think, with these amethyst chips. The beads not so much, but the amethyst chips, yeah. It might be just as easy to do it one by one. I got an art light. I don't know if it's much better for these videos or not, but one day I'll get another one and a tripod so I'm not sitting on this vase right here. My phone is. I just noticed that. It has a flat bottom there. It's not rounded. Let me get a different one. These are some smoky quartz that someone on Facebook sent to me. I asked if anybody had any available, and there's a helicopter. Well, wait a second. Oh, there's my knot. Dang it. Oops. Gotta get these in the order I had them on. Anyway, I requested on Facebook if anybody have any I could get, and I would have paid for them, but she sent them to me, and at the moment, her name has left my brain. But if y'all are on any of those groups, you probably saw it. Okay, well, my camera just quit because I'm running out of storage on my phone. And I don't know what to do with the videos that I have yet to post anywhere. I've made some videos, and this is one of several. And I haven't posted them anywhere. Except a few on TikTok, and I took those off, but they're taking up space, and it's telling me we don't have enough room. Telling me my iCloud is full, and I don't want to be paying for any iCloud. And if it's full, I want some of the pictures that are on it from way back years ago. But I don't know how to get to them. Because they're not on this new phone. Oh, well, let's just throw it around. To measure how much I took off of there. Oops, so that I put a clasp on it, and it fit her wrist. You know, some of these light pink beads came from one of the bargain bead boxes. I don't remember where I got the amethyst chips. And I think the bead caps, I think I got those on AliExpress, this one. And I'm not sure where these came from. If they didn't come from Bargain Bead Box, I think I bought them at Hobby Lobby. Those copper spacers. But these bead caps, I get a mixture on AliExpress. Okay, let's see. Let's take that. It's gonna go in the trash. Now we get to put crimp bead and a clamshell cover. I don't have copper, so I'll use bronze. I haven't seen copper crimp covers, not in the clamshell. Crimp beads. I have a cat in here wanting to get on this table, even though he has his own table with a blanket. He still wants up here. Oh, come on, open. Well, can't get my container open. That's just weird. Hang on. Alright, shall we try this again? Couldn't get the container open that had my crimp beads in it. My crimp tubes. there's that. Oh, sorry. I forgot to put clamshell on before the tube bead, the crimp tube. Genius. Okay, now it's on there. Got this. I'm gonna cut a little more. So it doesn't stick out. Sorry about that cat, he's just whining. He didn't get his way, he wants up on my table in here. Can't get this glue open. This GS Hypo Cement, I mean, it's some good stuff, but when it comes apart, it's not so good. Like the whole needle just came out. Then it's not supposed to come out that way. What is wrong? Okay, this piece goes in here. See if we can get some glue out of it. Okay, my phone went off again. Had to delete some more pictures that, guess I'm gonna have to do that this evening. Delete a bunch of pictures and some videos that I don't need. Okay, we're trying to glue this here with some GS Hypo Cement. Put a little glob in there. Okay. Gonna squeeze that one closed. Well, my phone stopped again. I don't know how much you missed, but I got this end put on. I'm gonna put this end on with 2 jump rings. So I find a spot here. And I'm gonna curl it up. So that there's plenty of room. And then it will sit on her wrist correctly. Get that one down there. This down there. And then see if we can't crimp it. I'm gonna have to open that up. Got it too far up. Blast it. That's too much room. See, there's enough room for a bead there. Cut this so short that I don't know if I can cut this thing without cutting the wire. Nope. Sure can't. Ugh, why? There's another crimp tube. I do this to myself all the time. Can't get that to go down any. Alright, just gonna have a tiny bit. Let's get some glue in there. Get jump rings on it. Yep. Sometimes my hands do not hold stuff. And we open this one up. There we go. Oh yeah, that works. That works, that works. That works. Yay. Oh, I found him. He's silver though, but that's all I got. I don't have any copper ones or even bronze little elephants. So I am gonna make a couple of little just tangles. Get my one step looper here. There's that one. And I need some jump rings. Well, just making sure it's gonna lay right. Oops. Well, my fingers do not work. There we go. And it's got a little give in it because there's a little wire you can see. And let's do this other dangle over here. Oh, we're gonna make sure he's closed though, because he's not. Okay, put him on here. That one step looper just doesn't close the loop very well. I don't know what it is why that design is like that, or it doesn't, but okay, why are these not working? I think I'll put one more on the other side. And use this. Get it in there, and don't get your beads up where this claw is touching your bead. You have to pull it back a little so it's not, because it'll break it, it'll bust it. And then see how it's just not closed all the way? I have seen other people do it, and it does the same thing. It just doesn't. It's got to be a flaw with the tool because it happens to a bunch of us, most of us. Get this thing closed. If I can get it to lay right. Okay, I'm gonna need one more jump ring. And we're gonna put it over here with this one. There we go. Whoop. Hopefully she likes it. Hopefully her chemo and everything will get rid of that cancer because she's in her 30s and has a young daughter. Anyway, thanks for watching.